Are you struggling with finding the right colors for your brand? And more than that, colors that definitely go together, like are complementary? Well, you don't have to think about it. You don't have to test it. You can just have Canva do it for you. So welcome. On the screen, as you can see, this is the Canva color wheel. So what you're gonna do is you can just literally in Google type in Canva color wheel and it's going to be the first link that pops up. There's also a link in the description to help you out with that. However, very simple. You're gonna come to this page. All you're gonna do is put in, you can either, if you don't know what your first color is, you can play around and select what your first color is going to be, or you can type in the actual color number here. Now, what's gonna happen is once you select your first color, then you're gonna come down here and you're gonna see not only the original color, but also what is its complementary color. Now, of course, there is more than just two colors that can go together, and there is actually a science to colors that complement each other based on the color wheel. So you could do very similar colors, or you could do 3 different colors, or you could do 4 different colors. But the point being that all of these colors very much complement each other and go together. So this is a very simple, awesome tool that if you're struggling with finding the right colors for your branding, then I highly recommend that you use the Canva color tool. And because Canva loves to make your life easier, then you could go ahead and automatically create a graphic from the colors that you determine, or you can export the palette so that you can create your own brand within your Canva account. So if you want more tips like this, sign up for my weekly newsletter, Winning Business, because tips like this and tons of other things, like for instance, did you know that HubSpot has a free tool where you can put in your website address and it's going to spit out an entire report about how well, not only does your website, how fast does it load, what is your image quality, the SEO ability. It's going to assess the entire website and give you straight up feedback about how great your website is or unfortunately isn't. Now, if you want to do that, click on this next video here, because if you're worried that people aren't actually looking at your website because it's either loading slow or you're worried that the SEO is actually not up to par, then you're gonna really want to check out this HubSpot website assessor. It's a totally free tool, and the next video should be right about here. I hope this video has helped, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for tuning into Business Fundamentals with me, the Business Cowgirl. And if you want more free, awesome content just like this to help your business grow and develop online from a seasoned expert in business technical architecture. But if you really want your business to grow, then I highly recommend you check out my weekly newsletter, Winning Business, from somebody who's been a business consultant for the last 10 years, helping businesses create efficient and effective workflows to help their businesses save them time, money, and resources. What does that really mean? It means the answer to the question of what you need to build for where your business is trying to go. So when you're ready, those links are always down in all my video descriptions for you. So to be continued.